Today I'm gonna show you how to make a carrot spaghetti recipe with turkey meatballs. What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of LiveLeanTV. It's me, it's Brad. I shared this in my video on the best pasta alternatives and I didn't share the recipe for it and a lot of people asked me about it. So I'm sharing the exact step-by-step recipe right now, so check it out and enjoy. Here's the ingredients to make this carrot, spaghetti, turkey, and meatballs. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a bowl, mix 1 pound of ground turkey, a half a medium finely diced onion, 2 slices of garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Lastly, add some salt and then pepper. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Mix all the ingredients together in the bowl. Then add some tin foil to a baking sheet. Form the turkey mixture into golf ball sized meatballs, then add to a baking sheet lined with tin foil. Bake the meatballs for approximately 20 minutes or until cooked thoroughly. While the meatballs bake, use a peeler to peel the carrots into a bowl. This will turn the carrots into pasta. In a pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 clove of diced garlic, and the peeled carrots. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the carrots are heated thoroughly. Once the meatballs are finished, add them to the pan with the carrot spaghetti and top with 1 cup of pasta sauce. Stir everything together and enjoy. Nutrition information per serving: 476 calories, 43 grams of protein, 31 grams of carbohydrates, and 20 grams of fat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you did, make sure you click that like button down below. And we also have a cookbook called the Live Lean 20 Cookbook that simplifies your nutrition. So we take 20 recipes that only use a combined total of 20 ingredients that take less than 20 minutes to prepare. It's absolutely delicious. So this is the cookbook, the recipe book, the meal plan that you guys need if you want to simplify your diet. So go check out that program. We'll put the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and keep living lean. So today's question of the day: how many times per week do you eat pasta? So if you missed that video on the 5 best healthy pasta substitute recipes, I got yo back. Go right over here, click on that video, and go check it out. You are not going to be disappointed. Enjoy.